Hey guys, so today I'll be reviewing and testing out the Ninja Air Fryer Max. I'll be showing you how well it works, if it's easy to use, and if the food turns out great, and most importantly, if it's worth you buying it for yourself. The food I'll be testing out today are sausage and chips. If you're from Britain, then you know a good old sausage and chips never disappoints. So let's get straight into it. Guys, this thing is absolutely massive. You need help. You definitely need a second person to help you take this out. But I'm just going to lift this up and reveal. Ta-da-da-da! Wow, guys, this looks so pretty. Yeah, and I'm so happy that it suits the aesthetic of the kitchen. I mean, you can never go wrong with appliances that are grey, that are black with nice silver linings and the trimmings. I don't do gold. For me, that is just too tacky personally. And this is easy to wash and clean. Ah! Guys, it's so pretty and it's massive. Like, look at it compared to my head, and I have a big head. I don't know if you guys have parents that just don't take plastic off things. That is how I feel with this. I feel like I don't want to take off any plastic. I don't want to take off anything because it just looks so clean and so pretty. As you can see here, here's the button just to turn it on, and then it looks like the max temperature is 210 and the lowest temperature is 150. The highest time looks like it's 1 hour, and then the lowest time is obviously probably 1 minute. And then you can max crisp, air fry, roast, bake, reheat and dehydrate. And to turn it off, you just press the button again. So yeah, it looks pretty great to me. It's got a rack inside, and I'm pretty sure that this is probably what gives you that max crisp factor, because all the air is able to just go through. So if you guys didn't know, let's say we're baking chicken and you've got it in the oven, you've got it in your roasting pan, and you're letting the chicken sit in all its juices, it's not going to get as crisp as you'd like it to be. What you do want is to get airflow from the bottom and to the top, and that's what gives you that delicious, nice, crispy effect. So I believe this is why this is in there, which is obviously great. And just being the person that I am and where I'm from, in our culture, we wash anything that is new. Bed sheets, pots, pans, cups, we wash it. So I'm going to give this a good old rinse just before we start making our food. And now we're going to make our good old sausage and chips. 1 sausage, 2 sausage, 3 sausage, 4. It does come with an instruction manual, so that makes things super easy, where you're able to know what temperatures to air fry on. So here I am making sausage and chips. It's got here an air fry cooking chart where you're able to, it lists the vegetables, the amount that you have, and the preparation method, if you should toss it in oil, the temperature, and the cooking time. So here are my sausages, and we're gonna cook in an air fry at 200 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna put it on 8 so that if it does need more, then I can do an extra 2 minutes. Okay, so now everything is done, and we are going to do the best part of this video, which is the taste test. Oh, okay, it's looking brown. Obviously, what I've done is I've air fried it for the specific times, and then at the end, what I did do with the chips was I cooked it on max air fry, because I wanted to try that crunchy effect. I wanted to know if it was going to be really, really crunchy and really, really crisp. Now let's see if it really, really had that crisp effect. I mean, it does sound like it's crispy. Now we're gonna taste it. Yeah, it's crispy because it's struggling to get in. Ooh. Now we're gonna try our sausages. So now that's done, let me answer your big questions. Does the air fryer work? Yes. Is it easy to use? Yes. Does it cook fast? Yes.
It's super quick and easy to use. The instructions do help if you're new in the kitchen, but if you're like me who cooks regularly and all the time, then it's even easier. Now, does the food taste good? I mean, yes it does, but when it comes to fries, nothing tastes better than fries cooked in deep fat oil. If you're like me, you're trying to reduce your oil intake and be somewhat healthier, then it does taste pretty good. Would I buy this for my friend? Yes. Guys, we all need an air fryer. I was very late to join this party and I only bought mine in 2023. So don't be like me, get yours now. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below because I'll be incorporating this air fryer in more of my recipes. See you soon.